Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tie Snell rigs for your fishing hooks, so hopefully this helps out all the beginners. Okay, so firstly you want to feed the leader through the eye of the hook, and then you want to make sure the leader is in line with the shank of the hook, which is the straight part. You want to pinch the leader and the hook with one hand, and with the other hand you want to wrap the leader around the shank of the hook like so, making sure each wrap is right next to the previous wrap, keeping it really tight and keeping it as neat as you can. Now you want to do 12 to 15 wraps, and then once you're happy with it, you want to pinch the line with one hand and then feed the leader through the eye of the hook, and then pull the hook with one hand and with the other pull the leader so that you can tighten it. And there you go. It really is as simple as that. Now you just cut the tag. Be sure just to leave a little tag like so, and you're pretty much done. Perfectly Snell hook. Now I'll show you how to tie it with a bigger hook. So if you're using an octopus style hook with the eye bent backwards, it's even easier. You just feed the line through the eye of the hook, pinch the line against the shank of the hook with one hand, and with the other hand you want to wrap the leader around the shank of the hook, keeping each wrap nice and neat with your line tight, and make sure you have them all right next to each other so it's nice and neat like this. Same thing, 12 to 15 wraps. Keep working your way down, and then pinch the line with one hand, and with the other feed the leader through the eye of the hook. Then again, one hand pull the hook, other hand pull the leader, and tighten it. And then cut the tag, just leaving a little bit like so, and there you have it, another perfectly snelled hook. Hopefully this video helped out all the beginners, because there's been quite a few people struggling with this, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.